Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, it's likely that the screen on your Surface Pro 4 is cracked and the touch functionality is not working. This is a common issue that can arise from accidental drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage and even affect the internal components of your device. Now, let's get started on the repair process. For this job, you will need a heat gun or hairdryer, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, a set of Torx screwdrivers, adhesive strips, and a replacement screen. First, ensure your device is powered off to prevent any electrical issues. Begin by using the heat gun or hairdryer to gently warm the edges of the screen. This softens the adhesive, making it easier to open. Once warmed, attach the suction cup to the screen and gently pull while using the plastic opening tool to pry the screen away from the body. Be cautious as you work around the edges to avoid damaging any internal components. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the faulty screen connection. This is typically found near the battery pack. Carefully disconnect the fragile ribbon cables that connect the screen to the motherboard. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove any screws holding the screen in place, applying a gentle force to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are removed, you can lift the old screen away. Now, take your new screen and align it with the mounting points. Reconnect the ribbon cables, ensuring they are seated properly. It's essential to handle these connections delicately to prevent any damage. Secure the screen using the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to hold it in place without overdoing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, apply the adhesive strips around the edges to secure the screen firmly in place. Once done, carefully press the screen down to ensure a good seal. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to check that everything is functioning correctly. Make sure the touch feature works as expected and that there are no display issues. To prevent this problem from occurring again in the future, consider investing in a sturdy case or screen protector that can absorb shocks during accidental drops. Always handle your device with care, and be mindful of where you place it to avoid potential accidents. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.